Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add any pattern to any fabric. The first thing you need is the pattern you want to put on the fabric. Online you should find a seamless pattern. That means that if I go to view and go to pattern preview, this is a seamless pattern, meaning that if you stack the picture on top of each other multiple times, it creates a seamless transition into each one. Go to view and unselect the pattern preview. Go to edit, define pattern, and here you can name your pattern. Now that we created our pattern, we can open a new Photoshop file with the piece of fabric that we want to put the fabric on. For example, I want to put the fabric on this guy's t-shirt. Go to the rectangle tool and for the fill, go to textures and select the pattern that we just made. Now I'm going to create a rectangle over the t-shirt. And as you can see, the pattern is a bit too big. So select the fill, select the scale, and let's make it a bit smaller. Now that we've done that, what you want to do is hide it, select the layer with the subject, and I'm going to use the quick selection tool to select the t-shirt. Select our bottom layer and select the fabric you want to put your pattern on. Go to select, modify, expand, and expand by 1 pixel. Press OK. By pressing Command J on Mac or Control J on PC, you're going to duplicate the shirt. Now I'm going to convert this into a smart object. Now right click the same layer and go to Create Clipping Mask. Go to blending modes, go to multiply. Select the pattern layer, press Command T or on PC Control T, right click and press warp. This will allow you to warp the pattern around your object, so it makes more sense. When you're happy with the result, press OK. We can lower the opacity if you want to make it look more realistic. Grab the eraser tool. If there's any mistakes, you can erase them. As you can see, on some parts of the image, the texture can leak out. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.